Hello and welcome. This is Chichi Barnabas. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is a channel that focuses on teaching you all the tools and the tricks and everything that you need to become a successful self-published author. And in today's video, I am going to be bringing you updates on Grey.co. Now, I have about 3 good news or good updates I'm going to bring to you. The first 2 are very good, but then the last one is not so very good. So you just pay attention if you want to know what I'm going to talk about. Stay with me to the end of the video and you will hear both the good news and the bad news. And please, I apologize if the quality of this video is quite low. I found this news quite interesting, and so I just decided to use my phone to record it and show you all that I've been able to find. So please, if the video quality is not so good and also the audio is also not very good, just know that that is the reason why that is happening. So without wasting much time, I am going to go to the first of the update I'll be sharing with you. So if you've been following my videos recently, you will realize that I've been sharing about Grey, and I've explained that they no longer offer the USD virtual account. But guys, here's the good news. Yesterday I received an email from Grey letting me know that they are now offering the USD virtual accounts. So that is one of the good news that we received from Grey yesterday. And here is the email that I received from them confirming the fact that they are now allowing everyone to use the USD virtual account. So follow me to my email right now so I can share that email with you. So here is the email. Now, if for the Grey users, you may have seen this sent to your inbox, so you'll find it there. So you can, if you look at about the 4th paragraph, they said, okay, the 3rd paragraph said USD services are now restored. So if you look at the 3rd paragraph, you can see that USD services are now restored. So right now, you can go back to using your USD account if that is what you want. And now, to add up to that, the second news that I got from Grey yesterday was that Grey now have their mobile app ready. So of course, this is one of the things we have been waiting for a couple of days, a couple of months, because they mentioned they were going to be creating an app that can aid transactions. So right now, the Grey app is ready. And here's the email I received to that effect yesterday. So if you have not received this email, I'm going to be leaving a link to download the app down the video below. And if you receive this email from Grey, then you should go ahead and download the app and begin to use it immediately. So that has been the second good news that I have from Grey, and I'm bringing it to you. Now, I downloaded the app yesterday and I installed it, and I am already using it. So here's the app. So all you need to do when you download the app, they'll just ask you to put in your login details that you use on your Grey account. So once you put in your details and then you are able to log in, the next thing they will ask you to do is for you to create a code that you'll be using to log in into that app, and it's just a 4-digit code. So I'll just put in my code right here and log in so that you can see what I'm talking about. So here is the app. So you can do all your transactions here. You could go to activity and see what transactions have been happening. You could click on more and then see all that you can do on your account, all the changes you can make, or even if you want to log out. So this have made making transactions with Grey as easy as possible. Now, the last thing I'm going to bring to you, the last update, is that the new Grey account right now comes, especially the one of USD, comes with a mixture of numbers and alphabets. So the new virtual USD account that Grey is offering right now comes with numbers. So in order to see what I'm talking about, I'm going to head over now to my browser, where I will open my Grey on the browser, so I can show you exact thing that I am talking about concerning their new accounts. To see that they have made some changes to it. It's now a mixture of numbers as well as letters. So I have just logged into my Gray account on my browser right now, so I can show you what I am talking about. Now when you go to the trade dashes there and then you go to account, you will see that there has been a change. Now you see that my account number under the account number section now has a mixture of numbers as well as letters. So here is 4EV, you can see it right there. So there's a mixture there. And now the downside to this is when you now want to add this United States dollar account to your KDP account, KDP is now rejecting this account that has a mixture of numbers as well as letters. But of course, here's what you can do. You will notice that your Euro account or your Great Britain pounds account still have only numbers attached to it. So if you find it very difficult trying to add your USD account back to your KDP account because of the mixture of numbers and letters, then you can either go for your Euros or your Gray account. Personally, I am using my pounds account on my Amazon account and I have no issues at all receiving money from KDP. So guys, these have been the updates I wanted to bring to you and I hope they are helpful. Please, if you like a content like this, do well to subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed before. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for always sticking around. Do well to share this video, and until then, I will see you in our next video. So bye bye for now.